Parsley is fairly easy to grow and even easier to harvest. The first year parsley plants should be harvested for their leaves, while the second year plants are generally harvested for their seeds. To harvest the seeds, always collect them when they become dark. To harvest entire seed heads, wait until the majority of the seeds have turned dark brown. If you harvest the seeds any earlier, they may not germinate well later on. How to cut off the seed heads? Well, it's so simple. You can snip off the seeds by cutting directly below the seed head. Pinch the stem just below the seed head with your thumb and index finger. Cut the stem just below your fingers. Remove the seed heads carefully, shaking them as little as possible as you work. If you shake the seeds while clipping them off, you could end up scattering the seeds. Since the seeds are fairly small, seeds that are scattered will likely end up lost. The seeds will need to dry out before you can store them and use them later on. To dry the seeds, spread the seeds on newspaper and let them air dry for about a week in a warm, dry location. Once the seeds are completely dry, the best place to store them is in an airtight glass jar. Parsley seeds are so healthy, plays an important role in correcting many health problems, and provides the body with important elements for its health. These tiny, grey-brown, ribbed, and egg-shaped seeds contain calcium, iron, potassium, vitamin C, vitamins B, A, and D, in addition to a high percentage of antioxidants that have an important role in increasing the body's immunity. So grow parsley and enjoy all its benefits. Happy gardening!